Hi, fifth graders. We're going to be talking about how to add a check to your bank account, a check that someone else wrote you, using a deposit slip. On our first line of our homework last week, we said that on February 12th, we received a paycheck for $70. We're going to write a deposit slip. The check number, the $70 check had a number on it. That was check number 234. It was for our paycheck. And then we're going to add it to our register, but that'll be another video. This time we're just going to look at how to write a deposit slip. A deposit is a way we put the money from the check into our bank account. So here's our deposit slip. We're going to write our name on it, our account number, and the date. Now, in the cash place, we don't have any cash to deposit. It's just a check. So I'm just going to say there's no cash. I have one check to deposit, and I remember that check number is 243, so I'm going to write that on the line. That's the check number I was given, and then I write the amount of the check, which is $70. Here's where I would write extra checks if I had more than one check to take to the bank, but I don't, so I'm just going to scratch those lines out. Then my subtotals, when I'm going to add up all the pieces of the checks, that all the different checks actually, and add up all the pieces. Then here I have, do you want to get any of the cash, like actual cash money, out of your check? Well, no, I don't want to today. So I'm going to scratch that line. I just want all of the $70 to go into my bank account. So down at the very bottom, I'm going to fill out the total deposit amount. And this time, since I'm not taking any money out, $70. Over here it says sign here if you're getting cash received. We don't want any cash back, so we don't have to sign. Here you can see these are all the parts of your deposit slip that should be filled in. Your name, your account number, your date, the number of the check that you're depositing at the bank, the amount of the check, any other checks and their amounts. The subtotal is all those checks added together. The less cash received means you took some of that money and you want the bank to give you cash, not put all of it in the bank. Then the very bottom line is your total that's going into the bank account, $70. The last thing you would do is if you wanted cash back, you would have to sign on that line. If you don't have to sign. All right, practice writing your deposit slips. Remember, it's for a check that someone gave you. It's not a check that you're paying someone else. A deposit slip is to put a check someone else wrote for you into your bank account. All right, go practice and add lots of money to your Ameritown bank accounts. Have fun, fifth graders. I'll see you in the next video where we will learn how to add a deposit to our check register. All right, bye-bye.